Guys, let's do a quick vacuum comparison right now. Dyson V11 versus Eufy S11. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. These things are both powerful. These things are both cordless. They're lightweight. They have similar attachment. But my favorite part is that this is way more affordable than this Dyson. This Dyson does have more power, but this one is close enough. This one does not have interchangeable battery, but this one does. To dump the bin in this one, you gotta take out your attachment, then slide here and dump it out. The bin is bigger and easier to dump out, but did you notice I had to take out the attachment? On the Eufy S11, if you want to dump this bin, you can just push right here, take out the bin. Notice the attachment stays on here. So you can take the Eufy S11, put it down, go to your trash bin with just the canister in your hand, push a button, dump out the content, and you're good to go. That is easier. Now, I will say that the bin here is smaller than the bin you get with the Dyson. But remember, with the Dyson, you gotta take out all the attachment before you can empty the bin, and the bin stays attached to the vacuum. With the Eufy S11, I like that the bin is detachable, and then take this to your trash bin and empty it out, just like that. Boom, easy. Eufy S11, I'm loving this feature. Yeah!